Alright, so I just had a nice salad, and yeah, new session. This is a backtesting session. We're gonna go 100k. Why not? And we are going to trade US 30. We'll do a month's worth of trading. Gonna pick a random year. Yep, there we go. Why not July? Yep. Starting the first. We'll do 3 months. Why not? 3 months. And you know what? I will also add Euro JPY, and I'll add Euro AD too. Alright, cool. Create session. Cool. So to begin with, I want to get the layout right. I'm good off of this. 4 hours, please. 4:15 and 1 minute. That's what I used to trade on. I do not use seconds. Thank you very much. Okay, indicators available. Cool. Let's start off on the 4 hour. We're going to analyze everything, break it down. Oh well. Okay. Cool. So this is your AUD. I'm going to start from here. Seeing as there's a clear. I want to start earlier, but no, anyway, no. We'll start from here. There you go, 86. Yep, I like that. By the way, guys, bear with me. I just got a new laptop, so I'm trying to get used to it. I just need a circle. Where's the circle? Maybe not there. Nah. There we go. Perfect. I'll take that. Perfect. I'll probably split this video into like 2 or 3 parts. This is just going to be the analysis. Then I'm going to go into the actual trading. And then, yeah. Anything else I'll probably add at the end. But, I mean, so far so good. I'm not complaining. But I'm pretty sure it's going to be a longer ass video, so. We're clearly bullish. Okay, cool. We're almost there. So, yeah. Looks like that's it. Yeah, I prefer it like this. That being said, I may as well also change this if I do have the template. Nah, I do not. Let me see what I can do, because I prefer these to be all blue, then the rest to be white. I'm going to save these settings. Okay, cool. Template. Oh, it won't let me save it. Okay, bro. No problem. So demand. Since we've had a break here, this is your supply up here. Right, cool. That's out. I will set up my trades. Yep. I'm gonna save that. Okay, next we have this. Okay, cool. This was a little bit easier. I will start from here. Why not? before I go any further, yep. Okay. This seems to be like it, I believe. So we've had this breakdown, we've had it. Don't think we'll need that anymore. There you go. Let's just set up for this. Okay, in this case, what we're looking at? What's extreme? I only like to take trades from the extreme now. I don't really like to do too much. When I used to do too much, I used to lose too much. So as of now, I've decided to discriminate and stick to the simpler things. Yep. I might look at this first actually. It looks like a good potential entry. Okay. Anyway, on to the next. So we did yep. We've already done Euro AD onto Euro JPY. Okay, cool. I'm trying to rush this because I want to get to trading. Cool. So where are we starting from? This to me makes no sense at the moment. Literally looking at it, I could just do this, but nah, it's not enough. So actually, wait. Yeah, I could work from there actually. Go on, let's be lazy. Yeah, see, that's the issue. Makes no sense. Yeah, I tried to be lazy, it didn't work. So we're gonna go the legit way. Ooh, the boring way. No problem. It's life sometimes. Sometimes the easy way doesn't work. And yes, sometimes, you know, it has to be boring. Okay, so what's next? And that is your setup. That was actually easier than expected. Should have taken my time there though. Okay, again, what are we doing? What are we doing here? I like this as a demand. With a sub right there. Supply, and that's it. So this is how I will set up my Euro JPY. Next, I will be trading and yeah, just seeing where I could go with this 100k in the account. I'm gonna try to get it to 110 to begin with, and then we'll see what can do beyond that.